If you voluntarily create a pawn island, how much engine value do you really lose? ChessAnalysis.co found 10,381 candidate pawn island moments in 6,000 rapid games, but the final average drop is still blocked because Stockfish evaluation retrieval failed after the first augmented batch. The reason this matters is simple. Pawn islands are not just ugly shapes. They can become extra targets, weaker endgames, and harder defense. But practical chess players need the number, not just the rule of thumb. The collection phase was substantial. The project downloaded 6,000 Lichess rapid games, calibrated into chess.com rating bands from 800 to 1,500, with 1,500 games per 200-point band. Then the parser found 10,381 moments where a player voluntarily accepted a worse pawn structure. An event was not just any bad-looking pawn. The replay system tracked pawn islands, doubled files, and isolated pawns, then flagged pawn moves or captures that voluntarily increased those weaknesses. So the study is focused on choices players actually made over the board. The important takeaway is honesty. The dataset strongly shows that these pawn structure concessions are common, but it does not yet prove the average engine cost. The required Stockfish 12 before and after evaluations could not be retrieved once the MCP endpoints returned 502 errors. For your own games, treat voluntary pawn islands as a decision that needs compensation. If you get activity, win material, or simplify into a favorable ending, fine. If the move only creates a long-term target, assume the burden of proof is on you. Methodology. ChessAnalysis.co fetched rapid games by rating band, replayed them with Python Chess to detect pawn structure changes, and began augmenting PGNs with Stockfish 12 evaluations before and after each event. The process stopped because the required augmentation and analyzer status endpoints returned bad gateway errors.